It's jump through time. What does that mean? Jumping through the hoop. Oh, so crazy. It's so good. It feels great. It combos with loads of different moves. Just give it a shot. So, one of the kind of more common beginner moves is to go from a forward figure eight or a forward 3-beat weave. When the hoop is uncrossed from when your hand is uncrossed from your body and you're going to bring it up, instead of going back across your body, you're just going to bring that hoop in front of you. So not bringing it over here, just stopping it here. And then just step through it and bring it up and spin it around your waist. Hey, that didn't look very seamless. That's fine. Just get used to bringing it down, stepping through it, bringing it up, chucking it around your body. Get used to that a little bit. The other one I really like, and you can kind of go into this from a helicopter, you can go into this from, you can also go in from a figure eight, is just having the hoop like this at any point and bringing it across your body and bringing your legs and your body through. So with the hoop being here, this is just a way to learn it. I'm not saying like this is a move in itself, but this is just the best way to learn it. Hoop out to your side, bring the hoop across your body, bring that leg up when you see that there's a gap, bring your body through it. You can probably make it look a lot more seamless than I can. It's fine, just practice. It's easy with a big hoop as well, to be honest with you. So you can do both of those moves. Bringing it to the front and bringing it over. And then also bringing the body through. One of the moves that I notice other people do with this, when they're jumping through it, is bringing it over and tapping on the ground, throwing it up, and then grabbing the hoop. So when you're throwing the hoop up, you're throwing it so that there's a gap above your head, so the hoop, gravity brings the hoop down and you just grab it. So, skip through, bounce. I don't know if I necessarily really like that move because it's a bit clunky, but also get used to just skipping through the hoop. And yeah, doing this and doing it back the other way. It's really helpful if you can get used to just kind of like the size of the hoop and stepping through the hoop and the magic that comes from doing lots of different moves that are on body and off body, and bringing them together. Anyway, just a short one, so I hope that was helpful for you, and I'll see you in the next video.